guys. I hope you guys are safe, healthy, staying indoors. Honestly, figuring out something that you love to do, a hobby. If you haven't tempered into writing poetry that you haven't written in a long time. I'm honestly very fortunate to be working from home. That's why I've been actually like trying to get situated and making sure I have a routine at home to make sure I still wake up at the same time, because where I live to where I work, it's kind of a drive. So I don't want to get out of my habits. I hope you guys are not getting out of your habits if you have any. And I hope you guys are, again, staying safe and healthy. If you're seeing another video, I am doing a face mask. If you're wondering why my hair is super greasy, I did take a shower today, but this is my hair mask. If you haven't seen the video, click on the, I'm gonna put it in the description box below. So I got a couple of ingredients. We're gonna be using activated charcoal. This is actually what I got from this Nature's Health store. But come on, I want to open this without and just everywhere, because that's what happened the first time. Activated charcoal. Excuse me, sorry about that. Also, if y'all are over 21, cheers. If you're not over 21, cheers. Like I said, stay hydrated. Alright, next ingredient. We're gonna put this we're gonna use the last bits of it, oh my god, of the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. I'm literally using my bits. I actually, last time I got it was on Amazon. I've been seeing some crazy videos of some Amazon workers. Honestly, if they don't drop it off as fast, I want to like leave food for them, like a snack, like a banana or a water, and like a tip for $5, because you don't really tip Amazon drivers. Maybe right now, being what's going on, maybe we should. And then I'm going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Together, it's going to look crazy, but let's get into the video. Alright, let's put this mask on. I feel like I'm sweating right now. It is a bit hot. If you don't know, I live in Arizona, and it's already getting hot. Oh yeah, I can already feel it. So the feeling you're gonna get when you put this mask on, it's gonna be kind of like a tingling feeling, and your face is gonna be super freaking like tight. So talking or doing anything while this mask is on, it's gonna be very difficult. Ooh. if you want to even get your eyebrows, because sometimes I get pimples under my eyebrows. I don't know about y'all. I know I do. And I even got a weird pimple like in this spot right here like a few weeks ago. I'm like, oh, I washed myself. I bathed. I showered. I washed every bit of my body, behind my ears and everything, even my belly button. If y'all not washing your, if you guys are not washing your belly button, you guys should. Like taking a Q-tip, putting in some peroxide, clean that stuff out. I bet your belly button smells nasty. How about you try right now? Put your finger in it right now. It was nasty, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. I know. Oh wait, oh Billy. Stay up there. Honestly, if this gets in your hair, it's alright. Because Indian clay mask can also be in your hair. There's hair mask tutorials I seen on YouTube. I had a major brain fart. Promise, it's not from drinking. It just I be having brain fart quite often. And honestly, if you have a lot left over, totally okay. Because you can store it in a Ziploc bag in a warm place. It's going to go back to like a solid. And then all you have to do is reactivate it. Is add a little bit of warm water. Warm water. And then you're good to go. Excuse me. Alright. Actually, let's get on that too. Like, at least like right here. Because I was going to go all the way down, but I don't want to. Getting your neck while you're, like when you're having skincare and while you're having, skincare and washing your face. You should always wash your face, behind your ears, this entire region. Because when you're sweating throughout the day, those are the hot zones too. Your hot zones are not just Alright. There we go. Oh, okay. And if you scare your cats, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm going to let this dry for like 15 minutes and I'm going to wash it off. And I'm going to continue with my regular night routine. I actually, hold on. The moment I get done with this brush, I immediately have to wash it off. Like anytime when I have dirty stuff anywhere, I immediately have to clean it up. I'm like I'm one of those clean as you cook people. But, so I'm gonna let this sit for like 15 to 20 minutes until it gets completely gray. Because right now it's like one of those like dark charcoal grays. And you want it to get like a pale gray. And then once it gets to that color, then you're allowed to wash it off. But like I said, I'm already starting to feel a tingle right now. So depending if this is your first time or if you haven't done this before, or if you've seen Indian clay mask and you've never seen this kind of recipe, you should try it. But like I said, 15 minutes. I just want to say, I'm sorry if I scare anyone. Like I said, it's going to be very hard to talk or do anything with this mask on. Yeah. Did you see? So I'll try it out now. And now I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna use this towel, put some warm water on it, and then just take it off. Yes. But yeah, it's worth it. It's worth having beautiful skin. Alright, so I got everything off my face, and I'm going to continue with my skin tutorial, my nightly routine, and yeah. But if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Again, stay hydrated. Don't just drink liquor, because you're gonna wake up with a hangover probably. And just like drinking water, just it purifies everything. And in the morning, you know, you get those morning poops. But I hope you guys are, again, staying safe, healthy, all those jazz. Take your vitamins. Your face, the moment you take this off though, your face is probably gonna tingle. So continue with your nightly routine. Put hydrator on. Put the night creams on. Don't just stop right here. You gotta have beautiful skin. Okay, no matter what. All right, let me